So next question. Tignan natin yung gets. An ideal home is considered more than a shelter because it, answer, okay, it provides emotional security, supports, and personal development. Okay? Because these options reflects the home role in meeting emotional, psychological, and developmental needs of everyone. Okay? Uh, Sabi dito, Lina is in charge of her household. One day, a sudden storm damages part of her home, and some of food supplies are spoiled. Instead of panicking, Lina quickly makes a plan to repair the house, reorganize the remaining supplies, and keep her family calm and motivated. Which qualities of a home manager is Lina demonstrating in this scenario? Okay, very good. The answer here is letter D. Bakit? Because Lina shows intelligence nung nagplano siya, makes a plan. When she makes a plan, nagpakita siya ng perseverance. Okay, nagpakita siya ng perseverance, intelligence. Nung nagpakita siya ng perseverance, ano ginawa niya? Nagtrabaho pa rin siya despite the problem. Okay? What else? Adaptability. Pag sinabing adaptability, no? Hinandle niya yung mga sudden changes or mga unexpected changes na nangyari sa kanyang environment. Okay? Oh, because naging kalmado siya, okay? Motivated. Naging creative siya because he makes plan. Okay. What else? Perseverance, self-control. Okay? Self-control kasi meron siyang nag-stay calm siya. Creativity because ni-reorganize niya yung mga supplies. Okay? Judgment, totoo, kasi nag-prioritize siya kung anong unahin. Sir, hindi masyado makita. Naka-zoom. Naka-zoom ba? Hindi kaya. Okay naman. Okay siya, di ba? Okay, continue. So the answer here is letter D. Okay? Last question. Arvin wants to make his home more enjoyable for his family. He thinks a new schedule for chores, okay, prepares fun family activities for the weekend, and ensures everyone's opinions are considered before finalizing the plans. Which qualities of him home manager are most evident in Arvin's decisions? Okay. Kaya pala. Ay, may sagot na pala kayo. Okay. The answer here is uh, here is wait. Arvin wants. Okay. Yeah. Pang D? Parang D daw ang sagot. But the answer here is creativity, understanding of human nature, and personality. Because si Arvin, nung nag-isip siya, nag-plan siya ng mga new activities, may nagpakita siya ng creativity. Okay? Saan siya nagpakita ng human understanding of the human nature, nung kinonsider niya yung mga opinions ng mga kasama niya. Okay? Okay? And personality, making the home enjoyable. Nung nagpakita siya, nung gusto niyang gawin yung bahay nila na mas maging enjoyable at that time. Okay? Okay. So let's discuss what are the qualities of a home manager. Okay? Si home manager dapat may intelligence. Okay? Kailangan may kakayahan siya na magplano, mag-organize, and make a wise or smart decision for the family. Okay, pag sinabing enthusiasm, nagpapakita siya ng kagustuhan, ng energy, eagerness, okay? Shows energy and motivation in managing household task effectively, okay? Understanding of human nature. Kailangan alam niya yung mga pangangailangan or yung mga kagustuhan or paano mag-behave yung isang tao or yung isang family members nila. So, parang pag may mga nangyaring unexpected, no, they know how to handle the situations smoothly. Okay? Next, creativity. Finds innovative solutions. Okay? Solutions to household problems and make home life more pleasant. Next, judgment. Okay? Makes balanced decision considering the resources, needs, and goals of the family. Okay? Taas kamay dito ng mga ng mga nakaka-relate because they know sa sarili nila kahit kahit hindi pa sila parents, sila na ang home manager ng bahay. I will raise my hands kasi parang lahat ng qualities na 'to ay meron ako, okay? Oh, I'm proud to say that. Yeah, very good si Andrea, 'di ba? No, we know how to make judgment, okay? Considering the resources, needs and goals, 'di ba? Oh, meron din tayong perseverance, maintains efforts and patience even when facing household challenges or difficulty. Okay? Pag may mga kalat, no? Or mag-aayos ng bahay, you have the creativity kung saan mo ilalagay. Na may problema ka, sa mabuti pwesto itong mga gamit na to. Okay? Next, you have adaptability. Adaptability adjust to changing circumstances, emergencies, or family needs. Or for example, share ko lang, no? Nung nagre-review days ako, 'di ba? Hindi ko sinasabi sa kanila na magre-review ako, 'di ba? Hindi ako nagsasabi ay hindi ko sinasabi na magbo-board exam na ako. So, nagre-review lang nakikita lang nila ako na nagre-review and sabi ko sa September pa kasi ako magre-review. So, parang mga 1 year preparation, ang gano'n. Pero March na talaga ako magre-review. So, anong nangyari, pinapagawa yung bahay, 'di ba? Pinapagawa yung bahay, maingay. Pero hindi ko naman sabihin nagre-review ako kasi magte-take na ako ng March, 'di ba? Okay, so anong ginawa ko, 'di ba? We need to adjust to the changing circumstances, emergency or family needs, okay? Still continue, 'no? Ang ginagawa ko na lang, tinutulungan ko na lang yung mga manggagawa here para mapabilis yung trabaho, meron pang tatrabahuhin para makapag-umpisa na ako ulit magbasa-basa, 'di ba? Makapag-practice ng questions, mga gano'ng bagay. Next, self-control. You need to manage your emotions and reactions, maintaining harmony in the home. Okay? Okay, self-control. Sometimes, hindi lang sa mga sa mga kasama natin sa bahay. Kasama rin dito yung, I mean, hindi lang sa family members, but sa mga dogs, animals, di ba? We have to self-control, di ba? Okay? Pero minsan, dahil sa mga family members, kailangan din natin minsan maglabas ng, di ba, diba? So that's what you call judgment and pag nagagalit ka na kasi 'di ba kakalinis mo lang kalat na naman. Okay? But again, self-control. Next, personality exhibit positive traits like kindness, patience, and leadership, making the home environment attractive and pleasant. Okay? Actually, itong personality teachers, magagamit nyo 'to pag nasa work kayo, no? Kahit na hindi kayo matalino, hindi kayo nakapagtapos sa mga sa mga Big Four universities because yung mga nagiging tumataas sa position diyan, okay, alam 'to ng mga taong nasa kumpanya or may mga trabaho. Ang mga taong tumaangat ang posisyon diyan, 'di ba, hindi naman 'yan sila magagaling, hindi man 'yan sila yung matatalino talaga. But what they have is that they have the personality. They know how to talk, they know how to communicate well with others. Alam nila kung paano makisama. Okay? Ang mga ang napapansin ko lalo na sa'kin, ang nangyayari sa'kin, I'm a good communicator no? I'm a good communicator. Kaya minsan kahit hindi naman ako ang kagalingan, sa'kin ano, I mean sa'kin nila ipagkakatiwala yung trabaho because aside from magaling ako makipag-communicate 'no, yung trabaho 'di ba, na kaya ko magpasunod ng mga tao, ayan, they know how to check ka, okay, you know? So these are the qualities of a a home manager, ayan. Okay? So madali lang naman siya intindihan teachers 'di ba? Next, next na tayo. Number 2, Filipino family, 'wag na 'yon, 'wag na 'yan masyado siyang mahaba, okay. Next, core topic, Filipino family and values, okay. Now, most relevant in MELCS, most essential competency niya is that uh, identifies types of Filipino families and their characteristics, demonstrates Filipino values in managing family responsibilities. Tinuturo siya sa grade 7 to grade 8. Okay? Okay. So we have the family members, okay? What are their roles and responsibilities? Okay? So, baka wala kang parents, wala kang siblings, no? Ito yung mga family, ito yung roles and responsibilities nila. Ideally, okay? Si parents and guardians, they provide the basic needs. What are those? The food, shelter, clothing, education, healthcare. Okay? They guide us and protect their children. Okay? Discipline and model values. Okay? Manage family resources, make important household decisions. Next, si tama 'di ba? Si parents sila yung nagdedesisyon sa bahay. Sila yung nagdedesisyon sa bahay. They guide and protect our children, their children, okay? They are the model of values. Okay? Next, ang mga anak, okay? They should respecting their parents and elders, follow family rules, focus on studies, help with age-appropriate household. Bakit nakalagay dito age-appropriate household? Ano na yung mga kaya mo at the age of this 7, 9, 10, 9, diba? May mga age-appropriate kasi. Okay? Oh, pag grade, pag ano ka na, pag 10 years old ka na, promoted ka na, ikaw na ang tagahugas ng pinggan. O pag nag 16 years old ka na, promoted ka na ulit. Aside sa naghugas ka ng pinggan, naglalaba ka na, okey? Oh, gano'n lang, patanda ka ng patanda mas napo-promote ka sa trabaho ng bahay, okey? Next, si siblings daw, ang magkakapatid daw, they should support one another, share and cooperate in household tasks, okey? Nagtutulungan dapat sila. Maintain peaceful relationships, promote teamwork and emotional support. Si bunso magpo-promote din yan soon, okay. Next, elder family members provide guidance and wisdom because 'di ba sila na ang may madaming alam, sila na mas madaming experience sa family. They offer emotional support, pass on family traditions, values, and cultural practices, serves as role models, okay. Ang mga family members 'di ba they have the wisdom na before dati kung ang mga lolo niyo ay binubugbog yung mga mama niyo ngayon, yung mga lolo niyo ngayon or lola niyo hindi na papayag yan na yung mama at papa niyo ay papaluin kayo. Ka kasi nung last time na naging gano'n din sila, that's their first time 'no? Kaya nung nagka-chance sila na para magkaanak ulit or nung nagkaapo na sila, they realize na ay, hindi pala dapat gano'n. Okey, hindi pala dapat namamalo, hindi dapat nambubugbog, hindi ka pala dapat sinasako. Kaya mas mabait na sila ngayon sa mga apo nila kasi 'no, yung experience and wisdom na meron sila, yung naranasan nila, and yung self-introspection na yung introspection na nangyayari sa kanila throughout the years 'no, nag-reflect na sila sa mga nangyari. Kasi nasa stage na sila na nagre-reflect sila sa mga achievements nila or nagawa na nila sa habang nabubuhay sila. Kaya ano, they they're good in providing guidance and wisdom sa mga apo. Okey? Nage-gets ba ako? Baka sabihin niyo 'di ba?